Welcome to Edu with Fun channel. In our letter writing series, we are learning right now capital letter and small letters. So let's begin. Here is the 4-line book which we can see in our English notebook. I gave them the numbers, first red line, second blue line, third blue line and fourth red line. Even you can write the numbers like this and teach child that the letters formation goes from first red line to third blue line, or it goes to first red line to fourth red line, or it goes between second blue line to third blue line. So let's write few letters. Which letter is this? Correct, this is letter O. So let's write letter O, capital letter O and small letter O, or uppercase letter O, lowercase letter O, or daddy letter O, or baby letter O. That's right. For writing capital letter O, you have to start writing from first red line to third blue line. Make a C curve and then go upwards again towards the first red line and make a oval shape here. The capital O looks like oval, but small o looks like a circle. Why? Because when we make a curve, C curve, and join it towards the second line, which we have to, small o start from second blue line to third blue line. And when we make a C curve, which we join again to make a circle O, it look like a small circle also. So when you are writing small letters, always remember it mostly comes in between these two, second blue line to third blue line. After letter O, which letter comes? Yes, letter P. You are totally correct. So let's write capital letter or uppercase letter or daddy letter P, or lowercase letter, small letter or baby letter P. Let's start. For writing capital letter P, you have to start from first red line to third blue line and then make a curve like this in between first red line and second blue line. For writing small letter P, you have to start from second blue line to fourth red line and make a curve in between second blue line and third blue line. See, as I told, capital letter P and small letter P always look similar. So it's better that you write in between, if child write in between these 4 lines regularly. The practice make a man perfect. So therefore, they will be able to write the capital letter properly in between upper 3 lines and a small letter properly in between lower 3 lines. So it will be very helpful for our child to read and write the letters properly. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this will be very useful for you. Please like it, share it to others also whom it will be useful, and you can comment and message me on my Facebook account, and you can mail me at the rate eduwithfun.1@gmail.com. Thank you and thank you so much.